Candelaria सायबिणीची एक भक्ती आमकां सगळ्यांक ह्या गांवच्या लोकांक खूब आसा. हांव ल्हानसान म्हज्या आवय ह्या कपलाचो खूब मोग करताली आनी आमच्या घराब्याक कोस्टांतल्यान मारियन आमच्या आवयन वयर काडली. जेन्ना आमच्या लागीं कांयच नासलेलें, एक बरिश्ट तुफान कशें आमच्या घराब्याचेर येयल्लें. म्हज्या बापायक सर्वीस मेवली, आमच्या घराभोंवत थारायला पडलें. म्हज्या आवयन सदांच आमकां हे कपेलाची आनी हे मारयेची हांगासर भक्ती करूंक शिकयलें. आनी हेंच पळयता हांव, कित्याक न्हूच आमच्या धर्माचो पूण वेगळ्या दुसऱ्या धर्माचो खेरीत भाशेन परबे दिसा खूब दुसऱ्या धर्माचो लोक येवन हांगासर मारयेक भजन करतात. तेचे उद्देशी जायतो लोक जेजूशी पावतात. हेंच समारंभांक जायत्या भुरग्यांनी ह्या मारयेचो मोग करूंक आनी वाडूंक पावंडो हो ट्रेक आमचो.
I'm Sister Maria Di Mello, a daughter of this place from Pilerne Goa, and I'm a sister of the Cross of Shavano. We have different convents here in Goa, and I'm residing in Switzerland, in Geneva. And I grew up here as a child in this place. We still remember coming over here to pray as small children, coming for litany and singing in the choir as children, and the devotion which our parish priest actually inculcated in us, and our parents bringing us over here to pray with devotion to Candelaria Saibin. And when she was lost also, how the village people came together and how we prayed fervently and our prayers were answered. And this devotion goes on. So many people come here to pray to Candelaria Saibin, and I too have a full faith in Candelaria Saibin. I always carry a picture with me, even if it is there in Switzerland with me. So I'm happy that we have a devotion over here of Immaculate Mary, and it is on every first Saturday from 9 to 1. And I invite many people also to come here to pray to Our Lady. She is a mother who hears our prayers, and she is a real mother who cares for us. I pray that each one of our devotion, our faith may grow, and each one of us may grow like her son Jesus and be blessed by her, through her, and through her son. Thank you very much.